Holy cow, he got him. That was a shot, man. What a run. That's probably 2 hours of running, you know it?
Yeah.
And we had some guys come in on us with dogs and put it right on top of us. Good shot, man. Phew. Dog tore it up. Got him. There's the pups trying to stay up. Uh-oh, they seen the rabbit.
Get out, get out. Down.
Yeah, the pups just jumped one. George, come up here. Battery's starting to die. See how long the battery lasts. It's dying. He just ran by me. Six hours of running, only one rabbit. They've been burning them up for 6 hours. Can't get a shot at them, it's too thick. Finally got the marathon rabbit. Almost 7 hours of running and 2 rabbits. George missed or might have wounded it, and Bruce finally got one with his handgun. It's been a while, ain't it?
Haven't shot much this year. It's a puppy year.
Yeah.
Down, down.
Old Duke stayed with him today. On this run, you know it. I think he stayed with him the whole time.
Down.
Good running, dogs. 7 hours non-stop. Skin them out and get out of here.
Yep.
Talk about a worn out hound. It's blue. 9-year-old beagle. 7 hours non-stop running. They had some great runs. Old pups did pretty good today.